ఇదే నా ఆయుధం. రాజమౌళి గారి సినిమాల్లో ఒక్కొక్క సినిమాలో ఒక్కొక్క ఆయుధం చూపిస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా, కత్తి, గుండు సూది, అలాగా నాకు ఆయుధం ఇదే. ఇది లేకపోతే నా ఆయుధం ఏది, నా ఆయుధం ఏది వెతుకుతూ ఉన్నానమాట. థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్ ఫర్ సచ్ గ్రేట్ వర్డ్స్. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ యూస్ టు లిసనింగ్ టు, బట్ టుడే ఐ హ్యాడ్ టు. దేర్ వాజ్ నో అదర్ ఆప్షన్. And I think, yes, I have done a decent job. Thank you. After listening to all that you said. And Mani Pavitra Garu, thank you so much for inviting me here. Alage Pradeep Garu, thank you so much. And Legacy Building team, whoever is a part of this team, I think all of you all are a part of the Legacy Building team. A big round of applause to all of you all. What an amazing job all of you all have been doing. I think I just had one glimpse of Moshmi speaking about what she has achieved out of being a participant of Legacy Building. And I mean, I'm just moved. I'm inspired. I'm touched by what she has said. It's not easy to lose your life partner and again come back into this world with all the zeal and energy and achieve what she has achieved of 75 crores is not an easy thing. So hats off to you, hats off to you. And hats off to you, Mani Pavitra Garu, for having inspired so many people and have brought this kind of a course into existence. In fact, for me today, when my very close friend Prema Garu invited me for this event, I think 10 days back, in our life we have some blind spots. Like we don't know about certain things. Like if there is a mole behind my back, somebody has to show me a mirror. Unless that, I don't know if it is existing. The same way I did not know that something like Legacy Building existed. And when she told me, I was asking, what is it? I'm a very inquisitive person. I keep on asking questions. What is it? Em chestaru akkada? Em jarugutundi akkada? Enti ani. Then she sent me a write-up of what is happening. And today I got a live demonstration of what it has been. I think this is really amazing. 10 years back, I don't know how many years back you all started this foundation. This is your 6th year, yeah. I think a few years back, nobody would have imagined that there is a scope of something like this also existing. As I was listening to people talking about this, I was thinking that why don't I also come and join this course? Oh my God. Yeah, నేను రీల్సే కదా చేస్తున్నాను నేను కూడా. 2 రోజులు 100 వీడియోస్ చేశారా? ఎట్లా చేస్తుంటారు వీళ్ళు? అసలు కనుక్కోవాలి, అసలు ఏం వాడారు వీళ్ళు టెక్నాలజీ. ఎడిట్ కూడా వీళ్ళే చేస్తున్నారా? లైట్లు ఏం వాడుతున్నారు ఏంటి మొత్తం మనం కనుక్కోవాలని చెప్పి నేను ప్రేమ గారు అనుకుంటున్నాం మనము జాయిన్ అయిపోదామా నెక్స్ట్ బూట్ క్యాంప్ అంటే. ప్రేమ గారు అన్నారు ఐ డోంట్ మైండ్ అని. సరే ఒకసారి ఆలోచిద్దాం మనం అని అనుకుంటున్నాను. బికాజ్ I think right now we are living in a world where you have to be equipped with all the technology that you have in your hands already. మనం టెక్నాలజీకి ఇవ్వాల్సింది ప్రాంప్ట్ మాత్రమే, కానీ ఏం ప్రాంప్ట్ ఇవ్వాలో తెలుసుకోవాలి కదా. అది తెలియకపోతే యూ విల్ బీ కంప్లీట్లీ ఛాలెంజ్డ్ ఇన్ వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యాక్చువల్లీ క్రియేట్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ అమేజింగ్. అండ్ ఐ థింక్ కమింగ్ టు హూ ఐ యామ్, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఆల్ నో దట్ బై ప్రొఫెషన్ I am a daughter, I am a wife, I am a mother, I am a daughter-in-law, and I am a friend. And for part-time, I am a host. Oh. Yes. And also a producer at times, and also a writer. But I think most of the women here would agree with me that this is how we live. But actually, we live the other way. We think that this is our profession. And then we are going and doing help and all at home. But no, actually your profession is you being a mother, you being a wife, you being a daughter-in-law, everything. And after that, also we managing this is our part-time job. So, yes, this all started in 1991. I think most of you all must have been familiar with my biography. ఒక్కోసారి నాదే వచ్చి నాకే చెప్తూ ఉంటారనమాట, మీరు విజయవాడలో చదివారు కదా అని. లేదండి చదవలేదండి. మీరు చదివారు 3 సార్లు వాదిస్తా వాళ్ళతో. లేదండి నేను ఇక్కడ సెంటెన్స్లో చదివాను తార్నాకలో. మీరు ఓకే సార్ చదివే ఉంటాను, నాకు తెలియదు కదా. చదివానేమో ఏమో ఆ గ్యాప్లో ఎప్పుడైనా వెళ్ళి మధ్యలో చదివేసి వచ్చానేమో నాకు తెలియదని. సో హౌ డిడ్ దిస్ ఆల్ హ్యాపెన్? సో లైక్ షీ సెడ్ a few points about how it happened and what are the strengths of it. If I look at what are my strengths, one very important strength of mine is I am always in the present. Like if I am here, I am like looking at you, listening to you, I am engrossed in the conversations with you. So when I am on stage and there is another guest with me and he is having his conversation or his speech is happening, so I very keenly listen. I think listening is my biggest asset. And I think listening is the biggest asset every human being has to practice. ఎస్పెషలీ హస్బెండ్స్ అండ్ అఫ్ కోర్స్ వైఫ్స్. If in a husband and wife relationship, one has the quality, marriage will last for 75 years. But if both don't have the quality, 3 months lo damal. So when you listen, you actually absorb a lot. You gain a lot of knowledge and you understand the other person's world, where they are coming from. So I think listening is one of the biggest assets that I have had. And of course, I did not know that I already was a great listener until I did a program called as a Landmark Forum, wherein the distinction itself was called listening. So the second one is consistency. The consistency is, I think, the biggest key in any profession that you are. You have to be consistent, whether you are doing your reels, you're creating your own content, or I'm doing my own shows. Consistency is the key. So right from I entered into this industry till today, I have always looked into how can I entertain people? What can I do for this show? What questions will I ask the guest? So I never take my profession for granted. I do a lot of homework. For people, it might look that, oh, Suma is so spontaneous, she's speaking it, itla maatladestundi అని చెప్పి. But I do a lot of homework. I do my prep. And after I do my prep, then when I'm relaxed, like when you go for an exam, you have to do your prep, right? And then you can improvise on your answers, maybe. So the same thing I keep doing. So the second one is consistency. And the third and most important key for me is being in integrity. Like coming on time, doing what I said at the time that I said I will do, being there on time. These are very, very important to me, especially in an industry which is a very organizedly disorganized industry. Whether it is television industry or the film industry, people might not hold themselves for account for the timing. Like if they say that shooting is at 9 o'clock, it is not a compulsion for everybody to be there on dot at 9 o'clock, because there is no agreement. Anybody can be there at any time. Like if they say there's an interview scheduled at 2 o'clock, they'll sometimes start it at 2, sometimes it might start at 4. But my key has been that if they say 2, whatever may be, I am there at 2. This is something my parents have taught me. Maybe I was under a military rule even before this in my home. Both my parents have trained me under a strict military rule. So this is one of the most important key that I follow even today in my profession. Like the pre-release events, they sometimes say it starts at 7 o'clock, but it might start only at 8:30. But still I'm there at 7. Like I don't take it granted. Like, okay, ninna 8:30 start ayindi, ivaal 7 ki rammantunaru, enduku ellali nenu ani. That doesn't happen. So these are the 3 most important things that I practice in my life. One is listening, the second one is consistency, and the third one is integrity. Integrity, being on time. And today also, as I landed, the flight was 15 minutes late. And then I had told Manipavitra garu 7:30 kalla ikkadiki vastanu ani. కార్లో నుంచి ఇలా అడుగు బయట పెట్టేటప్పుడు చూశాను 7:31. 1 minute is also not okay for me. So that's how you actually practice. But people generally take it for granted, like 10 minutes late aithe parle 10 minutes e kada late. But if you practice, keep practicing it, that even 1 minute is not okay. If you see lot of people who are in successful professions or who are like have achieved something in most of their professions, have all been in integrity. Maybe you all should go back, and even I should also go and check whether they have been or not, but I'm sure that they must have been completely in integrity. So these are the most important things that I practice in my life. And from somebody who started from Doordarshan, then went into theatre. I did theatre, like I have done almost 20 to 25 stage plays and have won Best Actress in New Delhi and also in Kolkata for my show called as Putra Kameshri, Koduku Puttali ani Ganesh Patrav gari నాటకం రైల్వేస్ నుంచి రిప్రజెంట్ చేసి ఆల్ ఇండియా రైల్వేస్లో 2 సార్లు అవార్డు గెలుచుకున్నాను. దెన్ డిడ్ ఫిల్మ్స్ అండ్ దెన్ డిడ్ సాటిలైట్ అండ్ దెన్ నౌ ఐఎమ్ ఆల్సో సీయింగ్ ఓటీటీ అండ్ ఆల్సో నౌ ది యూట్యూబ్. సో ఇప్పుడు వచ్చేటువంటి వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా యాజ్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సర్స్ షీ వాస్ టెలింగ్ దట్ 50K నుంచి 93K వరకు డెవలప్ అయ్యాను అని చెప్పి.
But for people like me who are already a celebrity, now what do I do new on YouTube? That is what I have been exploring since the last 3 years. And I have found my own space in social media also, where I get to create my own content. I don't need to create the content according to what has already been set up by a channel, but I have the own space and freedom and self-expression to create my own content on my social media, especially on YouTube. But as I always joke that I myself am an outstanding anchor. ఎందుకంటే నేను చాలా సంవత్సరాల నుంచి నిలబడే ఉన్నాను నేను. అండ్ ఐ ఆల్వేస్ సే దట్ నా మీద ఏదైనా ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ చేసి చూడాలి ఎట్లా నిలబడుతున్నాను అని. దేర్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ డేస్ వేర్ ఐ హ్యావ్ స్టూడ్ ఫర్ 18 to 19 hours at a stretch because 4 episodes of Star Mahila and then I go and do a pre-release event. And with all of this, another one very, very strong and important thing, I think for everybody, for a man or a woman, you can, informative learning is something that you get to learn in your schools and everything, but something that actually gives you a lot of happiness is the kind of relationships that you have. That is what gives you the satisfaction in your life. So this is the most important key for me. With all the busy schedules that I have, I still have time for my family. I still have time for my children. I still have time for my sister. I still have time for everybody in the family, and I'll attend the maximum events possible in the family and friends too. So that's about me. Thank you so much. Did I cross 15 minutes? ఓకే, సో మణిపౌత్ర గారు, గ్రేట్ జాబ్ అండి బై యూ. అలాగే మీ మదర్ కూడా, హూస్ రన్నింగ్ ద ఫౌండేషన్. కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ టు యూ అండి. అండ్ ప్రదీప్ గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. ఎస్పెషలీ నేను వస్తూ ఉంటేనే నేను నడుచుకుంటూ వస్తున్నాను, వీళ్ళందరితో స్టాండింగ్ ఓవేషన్ కూడా ఇప్పించేశారు మీరు నాకు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ప్రేమ గారు ఫర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఇన్వైటెడ్ మీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.